Hi everyone. Welcome back. Today we are exploring a small but very powerful instrument, the Baumer LA Series side mount level switch. If you are working with water, oil, or chemical tanks, this compact flow type switch can automate your pump control, prevent overflow, and protect your process, all with simple mechanical reliability. The Baumer LA Series is a side-mounted magnetic float level switch designed for horizontal installation on tanks and vessels. It's available in stainless steel and PP, polypropylene, body materials, making it suitable for both industrial and corrosive environments. Inside, it uses a sealed reed contact that switches on or off when the magnetic float moves with the liquid level. So no electronics, no complex calibration, just plug-and-use reliability. Let's understand how it works. When the liquid level rises in your tank, the float moves upward. A magnet inside the float passes close to a reed contact enclosed in the stem. This magnetic action changes the contact state, either closing or opening the circuit depending on how you wire it. As the level drops, the float moves back, the magnet shifts away, and the contact resets. That's how the Baumer LA Series performs automatic on-off control for pumps, alarms, or indicator lamps. The switch is available in two wiring configurations. Normally open, NO, contact closes when the liquid rises. Normally closed, NC, contact opens when the liquid rises. You can also choose between SPST or SPDT read options, depending on your control logic. The wiring is straightforward, 2 or 3-core cable connected directly to your control panel or relay input. Always check the arrow mark on the housing to ensure correct float orientation during installation. Installing the Baumer LA switch is quick. Drill or use a pre-welded a half-inch BSP or NPT side port on your tank. Insert the threaded stem horizontally so the float is inside the liquid and the cable end remains outside. Tighten the mounting nuts securely and check that the float moves freely without obstruction. You can test operation by manually lifting the float and observing the on-off indicator or relay click. You'll find Baumer LA Series switches across industries. Water treatment plants for sump and overhead tanks. All storage systems and lubrication skids. Chemical mixing and dosing tanks in process plants. They're ideal where you need simple, durable, and cost-effective level control. Let's highlight the key advantages. The compact side mount design saves space. Magnetic, contactless operation, long life. No power required for sensing. Compatible with most liquids. Easy installation and maintenance. Once fitted, it just keeps working silently for years. So that's the Baumer LA Series side mount level switch. Small in size but big in reliability. If you want to automate tank level control or protect pumps from dry run and overflow, this is one of the best options on the market. For specifications, data sheets, or purchase inquiries, visit radicaltechmart.com.